Barber Co. This is Bill.
Hello, Barber Bill. This is Stuart with the Junior Claus Workshop, and we have some questions about beards we hoped you would be able to help us answer.
Oh, hey there, Stuart. What questions do you guys have? How can I help you?
Alright, first off, a lot of our audience members may be trying to grow beards for the first time. Could you give us a little insight into that?
First, when you grow out your beard or as you start growing a beard, my recommendation is to not touch, trim, or even shave around it for the first 6 to 8 weeks. What this does is this lets you see how the beard is going to grow, how it's filling in, and if this is really something that you could do with the amount of facial hair that you have. Now, if you're specifically going to be growing a beard out for Christmas or for doing Santa Claus work, I would definitely recommend starting at least a year before. So January 1st, start growing out your beard if you can. The sooner the better. That way you can really let it grow. Like I said, see how it fills in. A lot of people think that there's supplements or food or stuff like that